Hi, I'm Power Monkey and welcome to this scripting tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change properties of a part with a script. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into the workspace and press the plus, and then we can add a part. If the part is not here, you can just search it up and then add a part. So the part is all the way over here. It was kind of far, but that is okay. So I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees by pressing Command R or Control R if you're on Windows. Okay, so we are now going to add a script inside the part, and we are just going to call this script properties. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we are going to want to reference the part with a variable so that we can quickly get the part. So we're just going to do local part equals script dot parent. So essentially it's just doing script, which is this, dot parent, which is over here. So this is the part that we are referencing right here. So now let's look at the part over here, and then all the properties will show up over here, and these are all the properties that we are able to change with a script. All the ones that aren't grayed out, we can change them with a script. I'm not going to be changing all of them with a script right now. I'm just going to be doing most of these, and let's start off with the brick color. The brick color and color is essentially the same thing, but you can either change it with like these brick colors by name, or you can use color3 values to change the color. But when you change the color, you're essentially changing the brick color, and vice versa. When you change the brick color, you're changing the color. So let's do brick color first. So let's do part dot brick color. So like that, we are essentially getting this property over here. So we're just going to do equals brick color dot new, and then here we have all these colors to choose from. As you can see, there are a lot of colors to choose from. Let's do bright violet. So this is the new brick color that we're going to be changing the part to. And then what else can we change? Let's just remove the cast shadow. So cast shadow is like that. So let's just make, right now it's equal to true, and we're going to make that equal to false. So we're just going to do part dot cast shadow equals false, and that will just turn that off, and the cast shadow will not be enabled. So next we are going to change the material of the part. So let's do part dot material equals enum. Let me just do that over here. That dot material dot, and then let's do, we have all of these to choose from once again. Let's do diamond plate. So we're changing the material to be equal to diamond plate because right now it's equal to plastic. And then let's change the reflectance, part dot reflectance. Let's make that equal to 1. That's on the scale of 0 to 1. So you can go up to 1, and the less you can do is 0. So right now it's at 0, we'll do 1. And then let's do part dot transparency equals 0.1. So again, that's on a scale of 0 to 1. 1 being completely transparent. If you look, the part is completely transparent, and then as you go down to 0, it's fully opaque. So next, what should we change? Let's change the part's name. Part.name. Let's make that equal to Bob. So the name is going to be changed to Bob over here. And then we're going to change the part.parent equals workspace.baseplate. So it's just going to be setting the parent of this part, because right now it's parented to the workspace, and we're just going to be putting it inside the base plate right here. So that's what this line of code is doing. And the next one that we're going to be doing, we're going to change the part size. So let's just do let's just do it like this, and then we'll do part dot size equals vector 3 dot new, and then here you need to put x, y, z. So right now the part size is 412, so 4 on the x-axis, and then 1 on the y-axis, and 2 on the z. So we're going to make this into a cube, so we're going to do 666, so that is going to be a cube, and then we're going to do part dot position equals vector 3 dot new. So right now the position is at -22, at 0.5, and -1. So let's put it on this spawn location right here. So this is the position. Let's just copy that position. Command Z to place it back here. And then we can paste the position over here that we want. So let's look at the part properties. So we've done already the brick color, the cast shadow, the material, the reflectance, the transparency, name, parent, size, and position. So let's do the orientation. Well, okay, so okay, wait, no, it's fine. So let's do part dot orientation equals vector 3 dot new again. So let's do 45, 45, 45. So we rotated 45 degrees on all axes. So what we're going to do, because we're changing its orientation, we're going to anchor the part so that it stays in place. Because right now the part is not anchored, so the part will just fall back on its flat surface, because obviously the part's not just going to stay on its edge. That's not realistic. So part dot anchored, and we're going to make that equal to true, because right now it's equal to false. So let's do part dot can collide equals false, so like that we are able to walk through the part. And then what else should we change? You know what, let's change its shape. So we're going to do part dot shape equals enum dot part type dot, and then we'll do cylinder, and that's it. So this is so we're going to be changing all of this with the script. So let me play so that you can see the can collide property. As you can see, the part has changed and it looks really pretty. Yeah, so I can collide with the part, and the part is now in the base plate, and the name is Bob, because that is the property we set, if you remember, in the script. And then the size is 666. Its position has been changed to the position we wanted. Its orientation has changed to 45, 45, 45. The transparency is set to 0.1. The reflectance is at 1. And the brick color is bright violet. The cast shadow has been checked off. The material has changed to a diamond plate. And then the can collide has been turned off, and the part has been anchored, which is really good stuff, and the shape has been changed to a cylinder. So that's really good. Let's this time, instead of doing the brick color, let's do color. So we're going to remove this, and we're going to do color 3 dot from RGB. You can use HSV or hex if you have a code for the color that you want, but I'm just going to use from RGB. And let's pick a color by clicking that little thing over there, and let's see what color. Let's do just green. So now if we run this script, you will see that the part is now bright green, and it has changed here, and the brick color automatically changes to the brick color that is closest to the color that you have selected. So that is very cool. This material looks really good. Okay, so that was it for this tutorial, and if you like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and you can click that notification bell if you would like to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.